In this video, I am going to discuss the general structure of Holistic Progress Report Card as proposed by Department of School Education, Government of West Bengal. This Holistic Report Card will provide details information about students studying from class 1 to class 8. This card tells us how a child learns, behaves and grows not just in studies but in real life too. In this video, we will take a quick look at the Class 8 report card. What's inside, how it works and why it's so important for every student's journey. Let's break this down in a simple, easy to understand way. The Holistic Progress Report Card has 36 pages including cover and the last page. Here in the cover page, as a teacher, we have to fill the name of the student, date of birth, student's ID of BSP, Aadhaar number, blood group, father's name, mother's name, guardian's name and photograph of student. Here in the right side, this page is just opposite the cover page. Here the teacher have to evaluate the development of personality and life skill from class 1 to class 8. Just opposite the cover page, the evaluation sheet here is for class 1 to class 4. And the same evaluation appears again at the end of the report card covering class 5 to class 8. The teacher have to fill this using 4-point Likert scale, just using A, B, C and D. A for very good, B for good, C for satisfactory and D for requires more development. Here the 15 essential life skills are listening skill, communication skill, empathy skill, cooperation skill, conversation skill, friendship skill, conflict resolution or problem solving skills, stress coping skill, decision making skill, interpersonal skill, organizational skill, emotion control skill, respect skill, assertiveness skill, that is positive attitude, and finally the leadership skill. After that, this is Holistic Progress Report Card for class 1. The teacher have to fill up similar pages for class 2 to class 8. In this page, the teacher have to fill the name of the school, village or ward, circle, district, UDICE code, email of school, school website, phone number of school. The teacher have to paste photograph of student, name of the student, class, section, roll number, gender, date of birth, student's ID of BSP, Aadhaar number, blood group, height, weight, father's name, mother's name, guardian's name, contact number, student address, whether Divyanga, that is child with special need, yes or no. Now I am showing class 8 formative evaluation table. This is where we measure the learning during the academic year in 3 phases. That is first formative phase, second formative phase and third formative phase. And each phase is split across 3 months covering the full academic year. Each subject has 30 marks maximum for each phase. Here the subjects are first language, second language, third language, mathematics, science, geography, history, art and work education, health and physical education. Now the summative evaluation happens thrice at the end of each term. The full marks of each subject in the first summative is 30, in the second summative is 50 and in the third summative is 70. The full mark in art and work education in the first summative is 15, in the second summative is 25 and in the third summative is 35. Similarly, in health and physical education, in the first summative the full marks is 15, the second summative full marks is 25 and in third summative the full marks is 35. The next page, we as a teacher have to evaluate learning perspective of cognitive domain. This section is truly special as it highlights how a student thinks and learns. Here, section A is identified condition. Teachers record insight into the student's pattern of intelligence, area of interest, positive attitude, exceptional ability, features of anxiety, learning gaps, and specific learning difficulties. These are filled briefly using descriptive words or codes for each of the 3 formative phases, that is formative first phase, formative second phase and formative third phase. The next couple of video we will discuss about this section briefly. Now section B is behavioral cognitive outcomes. Here each skill is graded using the 4-point Likert scale using A, B, C and D. That is A for very good, B for good, C for satisfactory and D for requires more development. This is where teachers evaluate how students apply thinking skill in real life learning. Here the items are self-awareness, communication skill, collaborative thinking or classification, experiential learning skill, critical thinking skill, computational or analytical thinking, problem solving ability or drawing effective conclusion, decision making skills, creative presentation skill and aesthetic appreciation. Plus, there is a space for the teacher's overall perception. At the end of this, there is a space for class teacher signature, head of the institution signature and guardian signature. This confirms that all parties are aware of the student's progress, a great way to maintain transparency and communication. So, that is the basic structure of this holistic progress report card. It is more than just marks. It's a 360-degree review of a child's journey, their strength, challenge, emotions, creativity and learning. Thanks for watching and keep learning.